This is a sensitive one, but one of the most powerful in ancestral work is unborn children. Miscarried, lost, aborted, they are also belonging in the family system. So when they're unacknowledged, forgotten, or unspoken, their absence creates imbalance, and someone in the lineage carries it. So for example, if you feel responsible for everyone, maybe you feel like you're taking up too much or too little space, feeling like you're living for two, or maybe you feel guilt that you can't quite name. So these patterns are not pathology. They're the unspoken system trying to restore order. So when the unborn are honored, the living feel lighter. And so follow me for part 2 on how to restore balance in the family system.